Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Copilot AI extension in your Google Chrome here. So Copilot AI extension is a very helpful tool for Google Chrome for researching scientific literature or table, math, text or blog post here. So I'm going to show you how to add that Copilot extension in your Google Chrome. So first of all, you just need to go to your Google Chrome browser and go to the Chrome web store here and search for SciSpace Copilot here. And after searching for the SciSpace Copilot, you will find this extension here, which is called SciSpace Copilot here. So just click on it. Then you just have to click on Add to Chrome here and just click on Add Extension, and it will adding to Chrome here. So it will just start to install your Chrome, and as you can see, you just have to connect your account with the Google here. So just click on Continue with Google here. After signing with your Google account, your account is connected here. So you will see the extension in the Manage extension here, as you can see, SciSpace Copilot. So just open a new tab here. And for example, let's just search anything here. And let's just go to the Wikipedia here. And as you can see, this is a very long article here. So in the right corner, you have the Copilot here. So if I just tap on the Copilot here, after analyzing the web page here, you will see a lot of options here, which is called key takeaways, evidence, example used, purpose, point discussed, limitation, and summarize here. So if you want to summarize this whole article, just click on summarize here. And it will start to summarize the whole article here in the Wikipedia. As you can see, it just took seconds to summarize this whole page here. Also, you can ask a lot of questions and it will explain the answer for you in this here. You can write any question. So if you don't understand here, you can just, so if you want to know something or don't understand anything, just highlight it. And you can also click on explain text here, and it will start to explain the text here for you. So as you can see, here's the answer here. So this is a very helpful tool for literature, scientific research, blog, math, table or text here for using here. So that's it guys, this is how you can use or add Copilot in your Google Chrome extension here. So if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.